We're back. A new twist in the Justin Baldoni versus Blake Lively legal saga just dropped, and it's got to do with the woman of the hour, or maybe we should say the woman of the era, Taylor Swift. Baldoni's legal team today says it plans to depose Taylor Swift next month over some of her private text messages with her friend Blake Lively. But Swift's lawyer issuing a correction saying his client has not agreed to be deposed, but if forced, next month would work out best. Swift has been trying to just stay out of it since May when Baldoni's lawyers tried to subpoena those texts, but a judge gave the green light to bring her in. Remember now, this all started after Lively sued Baldoni, her co-star in the movie It Ends With Us, alleging sexual harassment on set. Days later, Baldoni counter-sued Lively and her husband, actor Ryan Reynolds, for defamation. Baldoni's lawsuit has since been dismissed. Let's bring in NBC News legal analyst, Misty Marris. Sorry, Misty. It seems like Taylor Swift has been trying to avoid this all along. Can she keep avoiding it, or can she shake it off, Misty, or is she committed?
Well, it looks like she might be in her courtroom era, because now she's going to have to fight this if she does not want to sit for a deposition. And she still has the ability to do that. It's all about whether or not she has information relevant to the lawsuit. But keep in mind, Blake Lively, she's the plaintiff here, made representations that Taylor was involved in the creative process. Taylor and Blake were very good friends during this point. She observed Blake Lively during this time period, who's alleging emotional distress damages. And Tom, keep in mind, she called Taylor Swift one of her dragons. Baldoni says this was an intimidation tactic. So whether or not this is relevant information that Taylor Swift has, it will be up for a judge to decide whether we get that all under oath in a deposition.
Okay, so then what would you expect under oath in a deposition from her? You know, is she going to admit, yeah, I'm one of the dragons?
Well, I expect her to testify about anything she knows relating to that creative process with the movie It Ends With Us, to the extent that she was involved, communication she had with Lively about it, whether Lively was upset during that time, relating to those emotional distress damages that she's asserting, what communications they had, and what Lively told Taylor, and maybe even text messages between the two. So that is the type of thing that we would see coming into that transcript at a deposition. And another one, there's a lot of people speculating that there's no longer a friendship. There'd be questions about their relationship before, during, and after that production. So a lot of tea to be spilled if this deposition moves forward.
What will the internet do, Misty? Okay, thank you very much. We appreciate the expertise.